Excuse me, I don't finish the previous video because my computer is so crazy. So in the video where I show you all my kawaii charms, I have not remembered to show you my handmade earrings. So I've made these earrings with a strawberry and a lot of pears. These two, and they are so cute. Then I've made oh yeah, I've bought a lot of containers like this, and they are so cute. I've made this set with cake and a little cake slice. So this is so cute, I love it so much. And lastly, I've made my third and last earrings. There are a little heart with glitters and 2 marshmallows. This one and this. They are so cute. So yeah, excuse me for this second part, but I hope you enjoyed my video, and the next video. Bye bye.